ချက်ကိုဒီနေ့ပြုပါရဲ့လေးစားကြော်တာအပါရဲ့ရှင်
တာချင်းရဲ့လေတာဝန်ရှင်များပြီးခေါင်းစဉ်ကတော့မိုင်းမောရောင်းဖြစ်ပါရဲ့ရှင် Very good morning to the all my friends. My name is Kimberly and I am graduating student from Port Perry. This is a great pleasure for me to take part in this ecology compilation. Today I would like to share my local topic. My hometown is very beautiful. It is very humorous and very suggestive. Our city has beautiful parks and lakes. They are also colorful, and beautiful gatherings, Moda and They are also beautiful flower and green trees. And there are some people calm and friendly. I love moving food and festivals. I love my hometown. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, girl. What are the girls to keep dreams in your home? What are the girls to keep dreams in your home? Many girls. Okay. Okay, girl. You like the home? Why? Hello, sir. We talk about many things about our hometown, right? Can I know which place is today place in your hometown? Here, thank you.